Okay, so to create a Zap, you need to first integrate your logins, right? So let me click on create a Zap, but before that, it would require me to attach the apps, right? So instead of going to Zap interface, I will just go back to classic view, and here you can see options to attach the interface, right? Now within this sidebar here you can find the apps. Now to make the connection, I will have to first connect one of the app to Zapier. So I will add the Google Sheets and I will open it in. Once you add the login, it will ask you for the access. Now another thing is, it will show up that one of the connection to Google Sheet is established. Can similarly add, right? So here I already have one connection. I will just add another app. So we have one app. Now let me add Google Mail. No matching connections, right? So what we can do is we can add connection to Gmail, right? So each one of those app require manual connection and also requires you to manually give it the permission. So when you allow that, it would just connect to it. So we have like connection to two of those apps, right? You may also make use of other variety of apps to connect to, so that one of these connections can be established and then connected, right? For example, let's see if I have like Trello account and I can connect to this. So if I get any email, I will just update the Trello with one of the entries within the board, right? So if we take a look at that part, can simply click on connect. Here you see it allows you the connection the same way we managed to do it with Gmail and Google Sheets. So you get the idea how to basically connect Zapier to respective apps by establishing the connection.